This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
If you haven't been paying attention, the Kia brand is flexing a bit of muscle these days in the mid-size sedan segment. The Optima has been replaced by the K5 nameplate and comes with a more aggressive styling and now some serious performance. The GT edition is more than fancy wheels with upgraded brakes or a windswept profile that appears to hug the pavement. It is, of course, the top-of-the-line trim level, while still in the price range of a mainstream vehicle. One of the most obvious differences is the powertrain. While the base K5 has a 1.6-liter turbo-assisted four-cylinder engine, the GT comes with a muscular 2.5-liter turbo. It's rated at 290 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. This is a lot more than a well-mannered engine getting you from point A to point B and delivering nice fuel economy numbers. We found it's responsive on the open road and can be aggressive when needed. The transmission is an 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox in a front-wheel drive configuration. We found this combination to be extremely responsive in a week of seat time. Drive mode settings actually made a difference when engaged. From behind the wheel, we also noticed the tactile experience is an upgrade. Seat surfaces are enhanced with French stitching and comfort a driver for long runs. Kia has also redesigned the infotainment screens with a unique layout which is easy to understand and read. There are the expected levels of driver assistance technologies built into the K5. Additional systems that detect bicyclists and other vehicles during a turn are optional for taking safety to the next level. With the renaming of the sedan, Kia is standardizing the midsize as a global vehicle. Although it is an internal combustion engine platform, don't be surprised to see a fully electric version of it in the not-too-distant future. I'm Greg Morrison.